Oh. What? And I got anti-cheated, that's crazy. Break it in on, man. Is this like arcane or something? I guess it's not that bad. I mean...